The GIF game is strong. It's one of the more creative ways to create an emotional attachment to what you're saying. We live in a visual world, as you know. And so when you can make a pop culture reference that supports something that you've said or a point that you're trying to make, it continues to grow and it's that much more visible. There's some hard statistics that show it gets a lot more attention. So, it's also fun. It's funny. It's a way to share your personality and break through the noise.
Is there a particular tool you're utilizing that upped your gift game?
From time to time, I do go do some searching ahead of time. I'll go to Giphy. There's a place where you can make GIFs. You could search for it on Google, Giphy.com, and you can find certain themes that you might want to look for. It might be a keyword that you want to work on, or you can also, believe it or not, I'm a big believer in this. I have several. Is that you record yourself and make a GIF of you doing something funny, something clapping or two thumbs up, or be your own emoji. Don't overuse it because it gets a little tired. But in certain circumstances and in the right context, it can make a pretty good splash and cut through a lot of the clutter.